Hello dear students, welcome to my YouTube channel. As I promised earlier that today I will discuss on the sentences based on construction. Okay. Uh, from the point of construction, there are three types of sentences clear, namely simple, complex, and compound. So from the point of construction, there are three types of sentences. Okay, that is simple, complex, and compound. So from the point of construction, we got three types of sentences. Clear? So now we need to know the definition of all these sentences. So what is the simple sentence? So I am explaining one by one. Simple. Simple sentence is a kind of sentence that has a finite verb. Okay? So simple sentence is a kind of sentence that has a finite verb. Obviously it may have non-finite verbs also. Okay. So for an example, seeing the tiger. Seeing the tiger, I fled away. Okay. So look at the sentence. I fled away. So here fled away is the finite verb. Okay. Means I fled away. But up to this means seeing the tiger. Here seeing the tiger means as soon as I saw the tiger, I fled away. But seeing the tiger, this part or this verb cannot complete the sense of the sentence. Okay. So this saying is called the non-finite verb. I hope dear students you understood the simple sentence. Remember, to form simple sentence, you need to know gerund, participle, infinitive, phrases, etc. etc. Means so to form simple sentence, you need to remember gerund, participle, infinitive, various types of phrases, etc. Okay. So this was the definition of simple sentence, and to form simple sentence, what you need to do or what you need to remember, I have already explained. So this was the simple sentence. Hello dear students. Now I am explaining the complex sentence. Okay. At first we need to know the definition of the complex sentence. What is the complex sentence? Complex sentence is the kind of sentence that has a main clause and it may have some sub clauses. Okay. So now you are getting a new term, clause. Okay. So remember this term, clause. So what is the definition of complex sentence? Complex sentence is a kind of sentence that has a main clause and it may have some sub clauses. Okay. And to form complex sentence, you need to remember noun clause, adjective clause, and adverbial clause. Okay. So to form complex sentence, you need to remember noun clause, adjective clause, and adverbial clause. Now, dear students, I have already told you that you have got a new term namely clause. Okay. After the definition of compound sentence, I will explain what a clause is. Okay. Now you look some examples of complex sentences. Clear? See, this is an example of complex sentence. How? I saw Ram. This is the main clause, means MC, main clause, because this word can express its meaning. But who was playing? Okay, it cannot express the proper sense of the sentence. Okay, so this is called the sub clause. This is called the sub clause. Okay. Suppose in the beginning you were telling who was playing. So obviously you will ask me that who was playing, because the answer will not come, because this part totally depends on this part. Because of this is called the main clause. Do you understand? Dear students, I hope you understood it nicely. Okay. Now I am giving you the definition of compound sentence. Please look at the board. Compound sentence. Okay. Compound sentence. Compound. So what is the definition of compound sentence? So this is a kind of sentence that is formed by using main clauses. Okay. So compound sentence is a kind of sentence that is formed by using main clauses. Okay. And these main clauses are connected with the coordinate conjunctions. Okay. So in this sentence you will find all the main clauses, and all these main clauses will be connected with the help of coordinate conjunctions. Okay. So just look at the board, and I am giving you some examples. Okay. Ram was playing. Ram was playing, and Rohim was sleeping. Rohim was sleeping. So look at the sentence. Ram was playing. This is the main clause because there is no problem to express its meaning. Similarly, Rohim was sleeping. This part also expressing its meaning. So these two main clauses have been connected with the coordinate conjunction, that is and. Okay. So dear student, I hope you understood the definition of compound sentence. Okay. In this sentence, you will find all the main clauses connected with the coordinate conjunction. Understood? I hope, dear students, you all understood the definition of all these sentences based on construction. Okay. Now I am coming to clause. Okay. Today I will just make you understand what the clause is and how many clauses are there. Okay. So look at the clause. Okay. So what is clause? Clause is a part of sentence that has a finite verb. So what I am telling, clause. So clause is a part of sentence that has a finite verb. Okay. Dear students, I hope you understood the definition of clause. So what is the clause? Clause is a part of sentence, okay, that has a finite verb. Okay. I am giving you an example. Okay. Look at the example. What? Ram is a good boy who plays cricket. Look, Ram is a good boy. Here is his finite verb and this is the main clause. Okay, and who plays cricket, this word also contains a finite verb, that is plays. Okay, plays is the finite verb here. So I hope, dear students, you understood the definition of clause. Now I am going to show you the classification of clauses. Okay, so how many clauses are there? Okay, dear students, you look at the board. So there are mainly three types of clauses. How many? There are mainly three types of clauses. That is the main clause or principal clause. Main clause or the principal clause. Another is called sub clause. Okay, or dependent clause. Dependent clause. And the last one is called coordinate clause. Coordinate clause. Okay. So now I am making you understand what are the function of these clauses. Okay. Main or principal clause. Why is it called main or principal clause? Because this clause does not depend on anyone or any clauses. Okay. This clause does not depend on any other clause. From the name you can understand. So if I ask you who is the head of the college, you will obviously tell principal is the head of the college. So this is called a main or principal clause. Means he or she, means this clause does not depends on anyone or any clause. Okay. Now come to sub clause or dependent clause. I hope you have heard that a sub inspector came. So who is bigger, sub inspector or inspector? Obviously inspector is higher in rank, sub inspector is below in rank. So sub clause or dependent clause. Dependent means one who depends on someone or something. So this clause cannot express its meaning without the help of main or principal clause. Because of this clause is called sub clause or dependent clause. Dear students, I hope you understood what I am telling or what I am trying to make you understand. Okay. So main clause and sub clause I have already explained, and now I am just going to make you understand what the coordinate clause is. Okay. Coordinate clause. I hope you have heard the word cooperation. Okay. Whenever somebody or some people are cooperating with others, okay, the action is called cooperation. Similarly, here coordinate clause means here two main clauses or many main clauses will be there, and they will be connected with the coordinate conjunction. Clear? They will be connected with coordinate conjunction, and such type of clauses will be called coordinate clause. Means in this clause you will see a lots of main clauses connected with coordinate conjunction. Okay. So this was the explanation of this topic. Okay. I hope you understood. And main clause has no variation, but sub clause has three variations also. Okay. It has three variations. So sub clause has three variations, namely noun clause or nominal clause. Okay, nominal clause. And the next one is called adjective clause or relative clause. Okay, adjective clause or relative clause. And the last one is called adverbial clause. Okay, dear students, in the next video I will explain about all these three clauses. Okay, noun clause or nominal clause, adjective clause or relative clause, and adverbial clause. Okay, so no more today. And once again, I would like to say you all, please, if you have any question, you just write it in the comment section. Okay, you can tell me to teach on any topic. Okay, it may be grammar or literature, whatever you like, or whatever problem you are facing at present, you can write in the comment section. Please, it is my earnest request to all of you. Okay, so no more today. Thank you.